let's today talk about how you can change your karma. That's a very, very comprehensive topic. So, a little bit today, little bit another day. Let me first start by telling you the types of karma so that you understand it better, and when you understand better, you deal with it better. Now, the first type of karma is Sanchit karma. Sanchit karma basically is the karma that you have accumulated over your past or over your several past lives. A sum total of that is called your Sanchit karma, accumulated and kept. The next one is Prarabdha, which is what we have chosen out of that, what is lying there, to be lived in this particular lifetime. We can't live all our karmas in one lifetime, mostly no. So, of that, whatever we choose to live in this lifetime is our Prarabdha. And then comes the Agami karma, which is dependent on our Prarabdha. What we are living now is what decides what is going to happen in the future, what is going to happen in the near future, and also maybe a few years from now, many years from now, and it can even go on to our next Janma. So, the sum total of these three is what karma is all about. Now, Sanchit is that what has been accumulated and kept, Prarabdha is what you're living now, but Agami is going to depend on what you're doing today. So, when people come and say, Didi, can we change our karma actually? I have already done the bad, I can only suffer. That is not true. Every one of us, and when I say everyone, means every one of us can actually change our karma. The power is in our hands. We have been blessed with something called free will. And that free will is so powerful, so strong, that any karma can be altered with it, changed with it, by using it correctly. Now let us understand how. Let me give you the example of the Ganges, the Ganga. Just visualize the beautiful Ganga flowing down the Himalayas, down the mountains, into Rishikesh, flowing ahead, beautiful mountains on both sides. Now what I do is, I take a log of wood and place it inside the flowing river. The log also starts flowing with the river. It takes the same course that the Ganga takes, to the left and to the right, and then the Ganga falls down from a cliff. The log also falls down from the same cliff. Somewhere it slows down, somewhere it becomes really fast. So also the log of wood does that. So now, our Sanchit karma and Prarabdha, that's like the log of wood, which has been placed in pre-decided or pre-directed water. The water already has a direction, the water already has a speed. So the log, which is our Prarabdha, what we're living in the present, depends totally on the speed and the direction which have already been given to it. It cannot be changed. Now comes the free will. The free will is, if I attach a motor to the log of wood, a motor that I can steer and run, and then what do? Then I start steering that log of wood in the water in the way in which I want to steer it. I make it slow, I make it fast. When I see there's a huge fall coming, I slow down and change the course and take a deviation or a diversion. That is what you can do with your free will, that motor that is attached to the log of wood. So always remember that the log can be steered, the course can be changed, destiny can take a different course dependent on what I am doing today. So instead of sitting and crying about what is wrong in life, that I'm suffering so much, getting into a pitiable state, self-sympathy, having people come and sympathize on you is really not the solution. The solution is very simple. Acceptance of what is there is the most beautiful way of making things better. When we accept gracefully, we live them better. And second is to make a change. See, when a lot of you would have read my book, when I went through my life's most difficult time, what did I do? I did not cry. I did not sit and waste my time in crying and fighting with Baba every day. What did I do? I read the Satcharita every day. I did parayans after parayans after parayans. I kept reading. Why should I beg him? I will compel him. When I beg him, I cry in front of him, I'm not sure he's going to listen to me, grant what I want. But when I read the Satcharita with faith, chant every day with faith, pray every day with complete surrender and faith in my Baba that you have to come and help me. All that good I have done obviously has to come back to me. Can all those parayans, all the chanting just go waste? Of course they cannot. They have to come back as blessings. You have to have self belief, you have to have faith in your guru, and you have to use your free will to steer that log of wood in the right direction. And trust me, to add a cherry on the cake, do lots of good. Lots of good. Every act of goodness brings about a huge change in your the karmas which have been written down. You cannot be destined to suffer. The balance is now not in sync. The good is lesser, the bad is more. The moment I start doing more good, automatically the balance shifts and the good becomes better, the negativity reduces, my suffering reduces. And don't come and tell me I need money to do good. Remember, you just need a heart to do good. You can just about go help people, just talk good words, be there for people who need you, spread love, spread light. You don't need money to do good. And money, if you have one pack of biscuits, eat three, share three. If you have something little also, it can be shared with love. It's all about the bhav in your heart that matters. So change that destiny. Make a change in your life. Trust me, it's not so difficult. I know when challenges come, it just breaks us. We reach a point where we feel we cannot go on. I have reached there. I have reached there. I have suffered it. I know how it is. I know sitting here and talking is easy. Going through it is terrible. But I have gone through it and I have won through it. I have fought through it. I'm still fighting my battles. But I'm not a loser. Baba is with me. My strength is with me. My light is with me. And we can rewrite our destinies beautifully with a lot of self belief, a lot of faith in our Guru's feet, and life can be more beautiful than it is for sure. God bless you always. Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai. Om Sai.